Today we're doing birthday hacks. Hey, stop that! Got you! Look, Mike's got the birthday cake. Let's go! We've got Ariel's birthday cake. It looks really good. No, you can taste the cake. It's time to decorate and taste a little bit. No, just one tiny taste? No, stop that. I think you should prepare the present instead. Okay. Mike is making birthday glitter balloons. First, you choose your glitter and pour it into a plate. Then Mike blows up a balloon. Then he covers the bottom of the balloon with glitter glue. Finally, he dips the balloon in the glitter and gold sparkles. Let's add some red stars. Let's make another one. So, what do you think? Cool hack, right? Time to decorate Ariel's cake. I hope she will like it. It sure smells good. The presents are ready. I really want to taste the cake. No, we have to wait. It's time to leave for the birthday. I hope Ariel will like her presents. Hello? Really? Ariel's party got canceled? So what about the cake? Yes, we can eat it. I love cake. And the cherries. See you next time! Today the sun is shining. The perfect weather to work on my tan. Awesome, my sister is already here. I knew we would have the same idea. Ooh, she fell asleep. Shh! Boo! Got you! Let's see, how about we make temporary tan tattoos? The sun is perfect. Yeah, super! Let's go! Okay, so here's how to create a temporary tattoo using a felt eyeliner. First, draw the pattern of your choice. Can you guess what I'm going to draw? A beautiful heart, obviously. It's simple but so pretty. To keep your drawing a few days, apply a translucent powder or talc powder on it. Then use hairspray. Spray in a thin layer on the drawing to seal it well. All that is left to do is to remove the excess, and that's it. This tattoo will last for 2 to 3 days. Now, to turn it into a tan tattoo. Nothing more simple. Put some sunscreen in an empty glue container like this one. The application will be more precise to fill in the pattern with the cream. Once it's done, just let the sun do the work. Ready? Let's go! The sun is great, but don't forget to apply sunscreen, especially on your face, before going outside to avoid sunburn. Repeat every day for 30 minutes maximum to get a beautiful tan increasingly dark. A week of sunshine later, here is the result. Beautiful, well-defined tan tattoos. Wow, I love how it looks. That's great. Hey, do you know glitter tattoos? Oh yes, they're great. In this kit, we have several glitter colors and different patterns. My sister chose a funny hippo. Which one should I choose between these two? This one or that one? Okay, let's go with the sun. We apply the stencil, then the cosmetic glue. And finally, glitter. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Wow! Okay, time for the hippo. I added a small self-adhesive black stone to make an eye. That's it! Wow! So cute! And you? Which of these tattoos do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. Bye! See you next time! I think I'd like a new hairstyle. Any ideas? Say, do you have any ideas for a new hairstyle? Why don't you try a few different ones, and we will give you our opinion, okay? What should I try first? I like these bands. You can use them as armbands or in your hair. Nah, this is just too bland. What do you think about this? No? I think I should improve my hair also. How about adding some flowers? I love that idea. I'm not sure about this French twist. Time to ask my sister's opinion. So what do you think? Does this look say summer fun? Mike even made me a bracelet. So what do you think? Well, perhaps we should try something else. Now this looks exciting! I'll pull down part of my hair, install the hairpiece, and cover it with my hair. Install pins to make it all stay in place. Next, I make a small braid and attach it with more pins. How about this hairstyle? Wow, I do like the volume on top. Why don't you show us another style? What to do? I have just the thing. Let's make a braid with stars. I'm starting my braid from the top of the head. Then I bring it backwards and to the side. To give my braid more volume, I gently pull on it like this. There! Let's add some stars. I think this looks pretty awesome. We've decided to decorate our room with flowers. Do you like it? Now where did they go? So, what do you think? Wow, your hairstyle looks great! You think so? Yes, this is my favorite. I love the braid, the gold stars, I love everything. What about you? For me, I think I prefer the previous hairstyle. I think I agree with my sister. But what do you think? Which hairstyle do you like the best? Let us know in the comments. Until next time!